Now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make Notion send notifications at a specific time on your iPhone. The very first prerequisite, which you got to make sure is set up the proper way, is the actual notification settings within your iPhone. So you're going to open up the main settings page and then find the red bell icon, which represents notifications right here, and scroll through the list of all of the available apps until you notice that there is a Notion right here, and you essentially want to make sure that the notifications are allowed in here. So you can customize it however you wish. Perhaps you don't want them to show up on the lock screen, or perhaps something else, but that's the first step. The second step is directly inside of this application. You can see I already have one badge in here, and essentially when I open it up, you can go to any random node or page, and in here what you can do is just start typing in. And what you have to at this point do is to switch to different characters on the keyboard and type in the @ symbol. And you're going to get a bunch of suggestions, like you can mention a person, link to a different page, but you can also mention a date. The very first one is the December 23rd, which is current date, but you can just type in anything you want. At first, we're going to start with remind. So we're going to type that in, and you can type in tomorrow, or you can just start typing in the date. Like you can see December, and you can just, type in 27th, right? And you can see that it just jumps over in here, and you can scroll through the months. Obviously, you perhaps need to type in the entire phrase. So yeah, the suggestions are going to be in here, and that's how you can just set it up, right? So you can see that we can just type that in this way or whatever. I mean, I just clicked on creating a sub page, but let me just repeat that one more time. I'm going to just choose this, then remind, and I'm going to just pick something simple like tomorrow, right? So that way you can just get reminded about something, right? And when you set it up the proper way, you're gonna get the entire text selected and highlighted in blue color, represented by the clock icon. And right now, you don't have to be very specific with it, because when you tap on it, you can actually just customize it and change the date. If you just, as you can see, I couldn't just set it up on the 27th of December, but I could easily just set it up for tomorrow and then customize it like this. So on Friday, I'm going to be reminded, right? And I have the notification set up, so I will actually receive a notification in there. So that's how it works. Hope you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, and see you guys later. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll catch you there.